welcome back to my channel. I'm Alicia, if you don't know, and so far all my videos on my channel have been about my hair. I'm planning on posting some other stuff, but I am not as free to do videos as I thought I would be. Anyway, today I'm very excited because I have reached my 2-month mark with the starter locks, and honestly I've just been, I think at the beginning I was just so obsessed with my hair, and right now I'm in this phase like where I don't regret anything that I did, and I love my hair and I'm ready for what it will bring, but I'm just like in disbelief how I ended up here. Because at the beginning of this year I started off saying like, I don't want to lock my hair. Like, I started off on this hair growth journey, and I remember one of my friends mentioned, who has locks, mentioned, yeah, you should get locks. And I was like, no, I'm never gonna lock my hair, blah blah blah. Like, it had never crossed my mind about locking my hair up until maybe June. Yeah, it was June this year when I decided I want to go ahead and lock my hair. So, and here we are. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and stick some footage of the back of my hair, because that's mostly like where you can see my progress at. This is like one of my go-to styles right here for my more casual days. If I'm going out, I'll either, you know, like pin my hair back or pin it up, going like all of it going over to this side. Well, some of it sticks up, but you know, it's short right now. So I kind of get creative when I'm going out, but this is like my usual go-to casual look, or I just wear it out sometimes. But yes, so here's the front of my hair. If you can tell, maybe I'll try to stick some pictures in here, some comparison pictures, but it is a lot more fuller. There's a lot more frizz. At the moment, I don't even know what my hair looks like, so if it looks crazy for the remainder of this video, I don't know what it looks like right now because I can't see. But anyway, there's a lot more frizz. There's there I think has been a little bit of growth, a lot more. It's more full than it was. I have not went to my second retightening appointment yet. That is coming up next week, so maybe in like a week and a few days, I think on the 9th. So, well, actually less than a week. Yeah, it's on the 9th. Less than a week, I have my retightening appointment. It looks like I kind of don't need a retightening because I've retightened some in the front. on my own. I do know how to interlock, but I realized I do not want to interlock my own hair, not right now anyway, while it's still maturing and trying to lock and stuff like that. But maybe once I'm fully locked, I'll probably start doing it myself. But right now I want to make sure like my parts are straight and things like this bunching that I have is taken care of. So that's one thing that is new to my hair that I didn't have last month, is bunching. And I probably need to start like braiding or banding my hair like when I wash it. And if you don't know what bunching is, let me see if I can find one. It's kind of hard to explain. Like this one has bunching, for example. I'm not sure if you can see, but it's basically like you see where the hair is curling up at, and it's starting to lock like that. And so it's just like you want to kind of like pull it down and make sure that it's not bunching up like that, because that part of the lock will be thicker, or you'll have like a really bumpy lock. So you want to kind of avoid bunching. And I think bunching is more common when you have interlocks or you started your locks with 2-strand twists. So that's currently one thing I'm fighting with. Luckily, I am not fighting itchy scalp. Like I think I have like normal itchy, like it might itch here or there, but it's not anything crazy anymore, thankfully. And it's actually been over a week since I've washed my hair and I haven't had any excessive itching. So if you during this video you see any white flakes, it's because I need to wash my hair. Another thing I realized is that I think because my hair, it's not changing that quick anymore. I'm not as obsessed with it. Also, the past over last weekend, I went to a conference and I was like in business casual or business attire, and I wasn't sure what to do with my hair. I didn't want to come up there with, like my half ponytail. I could have put the top in a bun and wore the bottom out, but I wanted to try new styles. So I rolled all of it back and pinned the back up. I think the first day I wore it in a bun, and then I pinned the back up. I just rolled it up and pinned it up in the back. I will insert a picture if I have one, which I do think I do have, but yes, just trying to get creative and try to switch it up from time to time and give myself new looks so I don't get bored, because my hair is a little stagnant right now, but I'm not to that point where I'm actually like bored of my hair. I really love the fact that I don't have to wake up and really do my hair. I can just throw it in a ponytail, throw it in, do whatever to it and just go. So I'm in love with my hair still. At a certain point, I did consider getting my roots retwisted instead of interlocking, just because I've heard like retwisting will kind of give you somewhat of a slightly fuller lock. But I decided to just keep interlocking because I really love the freedom that I can wash my hair or sweat and things like that, because I do work out a lot. So while I would like to have the thickest micro locks possible and the fullest hair possible, I just really love the convenience of having that neat look for at least 2 weeks at a minimum, that I can go and it still looks neat. So I don't want to give that up, not yet. But if you have any personal experience with having smaller locks like me, and you've tried both interlocking and retwisting, please let me know below. It's hard to find a lot of people that have tried both. Like, people either do one or the other, or I see people with thicker locks that have tried interlocking, maybe once, but they usually retwist, and that's usually what they stick with, or they just, might interlock like once a year or something like that. So if you have a similar dilemma to me or had that, please comment below and let me know. I'm more than welcome, more than open to advice as I am new on this journey.